My name is Roshan Sequeira, and my son Jacob, who is in the second standard, has been attending the CFAL Math and Science Foundation classes since the last year. He is extremely excited about the various experiments, the outdoor activities, looking at snails and caterpillars through his magnifying glass, planting seeds, watching them grow as plants, and even the classroom learning. In teaching math, I like that there is a strong emphasis on learning concepts before trying to master techniques. My son, I think, is a little too young to appreciate the distinction, but I feel this way of learning will give him significant advantages as he goes into higher classes. The introduction of IXL into the math curriculum has been a welcome addition from this year. IXL provides a very engaging and motivating environment to learn, to practice and to master basic but important math skills at this level. And to hear my son's often breathless accounts of all the puzzles that they have assembled and the riddles that they have solved and games they have played, I think they also have a lot of fun during these classes. That, I think, is a very important way to keep children interested and also to provide for a fun and an exciting learning environment. And finally, maybe the most important, the teachers. It's hard to get my son to stop when he starts talking about his teachers and what they said and what they did. So finally, in summary, for children who are eager to learn new and diverse subjects and who have shown an early aptitude in reading, science and hands-on experimentation, the CFAL Foundation classes are a challenging but a nurturing and a fun environment to get started on their lifelong journey of learning. Thank you.